offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to day 25 of Vlogmas. It's actually 24, but remember a day in the back. Yes, so it's my birthday. I ended the vlog with it being the previous vlog with it being my actual birthday as well, but this is like continuation of what the day is actually going to be like. And then we got and then mommy coming in the car looking like a whole flower. Yay! I'll fix the side here. Yes. So guys, we just there on a Spanish court, you know, nothing major. Never feel like for really go far, you know, because honestly we want to be home on Christmas and something. Some say alright, just change up the scenery a little bit or something. So that's what we're doing. Give myself a more light right here, sir. And right now, before me that eat ice me. Before we move any further, I'm going to actually do my unboxing, okay? Because everybody bring them like a present and such. Guys, when I show you, wanna go watch my main channel for my little unboxing video. It's a little unboxing video. It's not nothing too major, you know. Guys, I am so grateful. I just do my unboxing and I'm like, I am so grateful. Me not gonna lie. Check out my main channel. I try my best for the unboxing the on my channel today. If you're not depend it today, when I see the vlog here, it depend it tomorrow. Okay? Because I don't want it too far apart. But I just giving you guys a outfit of the day. I have on these white high-waisted pants with these black boots. The pants I believe I got from Fashion Nova, and then the boots I got from Misguided. This piece of something I saw, yeah, I get it from Shein. And this Playboy something bralette, I got it from Misguided. I like Misguided things them, and I have a haul for them coming up Monday. So check it. It's a rating haul. Yeah, so that's the fit for today. Me I gonna change it now. That's what I'm showing you now because we're about to go to the pool and I'm not going to show now because I do the unboxing video, so go watch the unboxing video so you can see what I get. Intimate though, it's intimate because I have other stuff, but I'm not show everything in the video. This is a more intimate setting. This is what I got from Shami, Mommy, Divine, and presents to myself. Yes, so it's just a compilation of just that. I didn't put any other present in here because some people, you know, some people just want to be like more low-key. So yeah, just those presents in the video. So may I change and then we'll come back.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
Collier, share your music.
It's a Collier. Guys, so we're by the pool. As you guys saw, we were taking pictures, and as I said, we just actually over Spanish Court for the day, taking pics.
I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
Listen, I know a lot of you is like, yo, I see the comment them now. Someone will say, yo, Divine Reach. Vlogmas pause. No, Vlogmas not pause. Vlogmas still a go on. As you guys can see, I uploaded on the 24th, and I'm still gonna upload. This is the 25th. Yeah. No, the work must go on. The work must go on.
But guys, we're gonna catch a vibe.
Yeah.
I don't wanna copyright. So.
Music in my section and everything. Like it, like the vibes. Nice. What you say? No, no music was playing earlier on. But then my phone like that. No. She was really rescuing the day. Yeah. Right? No, me didn't want to mean I'm gonna touch my face. I'm gonna touch up my face. And that's it. That is it, guys. And go to dinner. But yeah, the vibe is really nice. So yeah.
I got fresh and I'm all ready for dinner. I'm gonna show them my outfit of the evening. Over here, guys, so I got crab cake for appetizer and a soup. You know, so me love soup already. So this is cream of pumpkin. We have some garlic bread on the side and such.
Just want to say happy birthday to my beautiful wife. Wishes many more, holy more. The life and more life and blessings and everything are good.
Thank you.
Another milestone, first one. It's early in the morning, very early in the morning. I think it was after 2, going on to 3 o'clock. That's Christmas Eve. Now I'm glad I'm still here and be basking in the glory and seeing you all grown up and pretty same way, you know. Family to Sue, yeah, family to Sue to Big Sue, yeah. The December girl, 2 girls born same month, and you know the festive season. And thank God that we're here, knitted. This time around we have Divine with us in the mix this Christmas. You know, our family is so small, but then you know, God is in the mix too.
So this is dinner, guys. I got pan-seared salmon and mashed sweet potato. Nothing special. The menu never did really wow me that much. So I'll go with this. How was the food, Shami?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it was like a 7.
Yeah, for me it was like the same. What was I?
But sometimes some place you can cook it softer than that, you know. Broccoli.
Boxing up our left because we never
You can
really
cook it softer than that.
eat off
Yeah, but
everything.
you can cook it with all. You can put that.
So look, dessert addicts surprised me with a birthday cake. Like, I'm just blown away because like, what me never expect this at all. Like this whole design here, I requested the flavor and everything because they genuinely wanted to, like, you know, gift me with a birthday cake. But like the whole concept of this cake, I knew nothing about it, and I'm so grateful. Like when I see them weights, the YouTube, the makeup, honestly, listen, rum cream capsules, like they did it. I love it, guys. I love it. Honestly, it's so nice. Dessert addicts. Guys, I'm using one because my camera battery it dead, and the next one I charge upstairs. But yeah, I did have for sure now. So shout out to Dessert Addicts. It's lit. We're done with dinner. The cake was beautiful. I just come upstairs to get. I don't know the taste part. But was stuffed. So tomorrow before I taste the cake. But I am so grateful. Shout out to Dessert Addicts. Shout out to everybody in this room. I don't need to go watch my main channel, even though the video not up yet. But stay tuned. Stay tuned for my unboxing video. Everybody in this room made my birthday so special, and I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Yo, big up on yourself.
You just run some. I say thanks.
You're welcome. Yes, it was a good evening. Didn't fix this.
Shamia, mommy leaving.
So we're leaving now.
Yes.
So it's a good evening.
Yes.
Right. See you all on Christmas.
That's tomorrow.
Right.
Literally hours from now.
Christmas Day.
Oh God.